Kevin!
I'm so full. I had a blast today. What? Righty, Kevin! You're great, Wendell! Hi there! Why is everyone after me?
Ruining everybody's day!
Well, I wasn't listening, I swear!
You'll pay attention to us!
I'm sorry, guys. Music was so loud in my ears. Is that even possible? Give it back! Ah! Calm down, please!
Hear us, like it or not!
What's he going to do with me? I've learned the lesson. You have to let me go, guys. I'm begging you, please. I regret ignoring you all day.